Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago here in Texas, we had one of the worst snowstorms in decades. I mean, no power, no heat for days, sometimes weeks, just trying to figure out how to keep the kids warm, how to keep our food from spoiling. That experience changed how I think about power, whether I'm at home or on the job. That's why I'm so excited to show you the Jackery Solar Generator HomePower 3000. This thing has seriously changed how I prep for emergencies and how I run my furniture flipping business.
All right, let's talk about what comes in this box because this setup, it's seriously impressive. When you unbox the Jackery SG HomePower 3000, you're met with clean, compact design that's surprisingly lightweight for how powerful this thing is. It's got multiple ports, which I can see right away it's gonna run everything that I could possibly need in my home and my garage. AC, DC, USB, and even a car outlet, so it's ready to handle everything from your fridge to your tools. This thing packs a punch with 3,600 watts of output and over 3,000 watt-hours of capacity, which means it can keep your essentials running during a power outage without even breaking a sweat. Whether you're prepping for an emergency or just need reliable off-the-grid power for a job site, this Jackery Solar Generator HomePower 3000, it's got your back. All it takes is a simple plug-in and you're instantly charging. There's no setup, no hassle, just power when and where you need it. And it comes with an instruction booklet that answers all of your questions.
When I take on custom furniture jobs at clients' homes, I don't want to be asking that person to borrow their outlets, especially since I've got things running like sanders, sprayers, lights are going. I like to have my music going. With the Jackery Solar Generator HomePower 3000, I bring my own power, quiet and portable.
I appreciate that I don't have a noisy generator to crank or smelly gas fumes to deal with or worry about, just quiet, reliable power at an easy push of a button.
Even better, it charges with these solar panels. These solar panels are easy to set up, and in just a few hours of Texas sunshine, I've got power for a whole day. No gas, no noise, and no fumes. It's also perfect for peace of mind at home, and if we ever face another power outage, let's be honest, here in Texas with sometimes our crazy weather, we probably will. And I know that we can run our fridge, charge our phones, and even keep the coffee maker going. Priorities, right? It powers everything I need. Seriously, I can run multiple tools at once or even charge my laptop and camera while I'm working. Perfect solution for the person that's always working on the go. And for how powerful this thing is, it is surprisingly light. My 13-year-old can lift it into the trunk for me when we're getting ready to load up, which is a huge plus for someone who's constantly hauling furniture and everything else around.
Next time a big Texas ice storm hits, I know that we're covered. With the Jackery, we'll be able to power our lights, run a space heater to stay warm, and most importantly, keep the teenagers' phones charged and peace in the house intact. It can keep our fridge running for 1 to 2 days. It keeps our lights on for up to 10 days. A fan can stay running for 60 hours and our Wi-Fi online for 66 hours. So we're not just surviving, we're actually comfortable. Plus, with a 10-year lifespan, the Jackery Solar Generator HomePower 3000 is an investment that's built to last through many Texas storms to come. I'll also have a peace of mind knowing that our little guinea pigs can stay warm and safe with their cage heater running until the storm passes. Keeping our kids and our pets safe during power outages or storms is a big importance to me and just a peace of mind for when our weather gets wild.
So whether you're a fellow DIYer, a weekend warrior, or just looking for backup power for your family, the Jackery Solar Generator HomePower 3000 is one of the best investments I've made. It fits my business and my lifestyle, plus it's got me covered no matter what Texas throws at us next. I'll be sure to drop the link below so that you can check it out, and if you've got any questions at all, let me know in the comments. Stay safe, stay creative, and I'll see you on the next flip.